Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 2, that is hardware and software. Okay, so what we will learn in this chapter? We will understand the parts of computer system, learn about hardware and software. A computer system is made up of two parts, hardware and software. Just as to listen to musical CD, a CD player and the CD is required. The CD player and the CD are both hardware parts. The songs are the software. To draw picture, a mouse is used in MS Paint. Mouse is the hardware and MS Paint is the software. Okay? If we want to listen music in a computer, so first what we will require? Mouse and what? Songs in the computer, na? Songs also required in the computer. So songs are the software and mouse is the hardware. And if we want to draw a picture in a computer, what we require? A mouse and MS Paint. So MS Paint is a software and mouse is a hardware. Clear? Good. So computer system is made up of two parts, hardware and software. Hardware is a part which we can feel it, okay, which we can touch and feel, and software is a part which is not seen but we can feel it, okay. Hardware. Now we will learn about the hardware. Hardware. Hardware refers to the parts of computer that you can see and touch, such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Hardware also includes all the electrical and mechanical parts of the computer. हार्डवेयर वैसा पार्ट होता है कंप्यूटर का जिसे हम देख सकते हैं और टच कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि मॉनिटर हो गया, सीपीयू हो गया, कीबोर्ड हो गया एंड माउस. ओके. हार्डवेयर और भी चीज़ों को इंक्लूड करता है, जैसे कि इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड मैकेनिकल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. इट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स द इलेक्ट्रिकल and mechanical parts of the computer. Okay, so hardware refers to the part of computer that you can see and touch. Okay, now we will learn about inside the CPU. Just as some of our body parts are inside the body, some hardware parts are inside. You can see them only when you open the CPU box. The CPU box contains and protects the most important part, the CPU, which is rightly regarded as the brain of the computer. It is responsible for processing all the data fed by the user. CPU has three main parts: ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. It performs all mathematical calculation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also carries out logical operations. Control unit. It controls the flow of information between ALU, memory and the other parts of the computer. Memory. The main memory of the computer is also called its primary storage. Any data or instructions that are to be processed by the CPU must be placed in the main memory of the computer. The main memory consists of RAM, random access memory, ROM, read-only memory. Some important points about the computer memory are: computer stores and processes data using binary numbers such as 0 and 1. A single unit in binary is called a bit. which stand for binary digit. Computer memory is measured in byte. One byte is made up of 8 bits. The size of computer memory is normally measured in kilobytes (KB), megabytes (MB), gigabytes (GB), and terabytes (TB). Okay? So, what is inside the CPU? That is three main parts, that is ALU, CU, and memory. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit, Control Unit, and Memory Unit. CPU has three main parts, that is ALU, CU, and memory. CPU protects the most important part. Okay, CPU box protects the most important part of the computer, that is called CPU, which is known as brain of the computer. With the help of CPU, the computer process all the data which are fed by the users. Clear? Yes, and what does the ALU do? It performs the mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It also carries out logical operations. Control unit. Control unit controls the flow of information between ALU, memory, and other parts of the computer. Memory unit stores any information. Okay, and memory, the main memory of computer is also called its primary storage. Okay, clear? Now we will learn about the software. Software refers to the set of instructions or the program that tells the hardware what to do. There are two kinds of software: application software and system software. Okay, what does software refers? What is software? Software refers to the set of instructions or there are two kinds of software, that is application and system software. So what does software refers? It refers to the set of instructions or the programs that tells the hardware what to do. Okay, ये हार्डवेयर को बताता है कि क्या करना है. Okay, तो दो टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं, टू काइंड्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. फर्स्ट वन एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, सेकेंड वन इज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. तो व्हाट डज एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर? With the name only we can identify that what does application software refers. It refers to the applications which are fed in the computer so that computer knows what to do. System software, it is already there in the computer at which instruct the computer what to do. Okay, so software refers to the set of instructions or the programs that tells the hardware what to do. The two kinds of software are application software and system software. Okay, now we will learn about application software. What is application software and what is application software and what are its types? These are programs that help you to perform specific tasks or applications on the computer. For example, MS Word lets you type, edit, and format letters, notices. MS Paint lets you create, design, and watermarks. Other examples include MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Front Page, and Corel Draw. Adobe Photoshop helps you edit and change photograph. So what is application software? Helps the program to perform specific task. Okay, it is used for specific task or applications on the computer or for the applications on the computer. Okay, जैसे कि MS Word. Okay, MS Word क्या हेल्प करता है हमें? टाइप करने में, एडिट करने में और लेटर्स को फॉर्मेट करने में एंड नोटिसेस को. MS Paint क्या करता है? हमें हेल्प करता है नए डिज़ाइंस क्रिएट करने में एंड अदर आर्ट वर्क. ओके, जैसे कि MS Word, Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Front Page and Corel Draw. These are used to यूज फॉर डिज़ाइन एंड आर्ट वर्क्स। जैसे कि एडोब फोटोशॉप, ठीक है। एडोब फोटोशॉप क्या करता है, हेल्प करता है एडिट और चेंज करने में फोटोग्राफ्स को। ओके, these kinds of software are known as application software which are used for specific task. Now we will learn about system software. It is a set of programs that controls the working of a computer. Operating system software is a part of system software. It helps the computer to run and perform all its essential tasks. Without an operating system, the computer would not be able to run any kind of software. The two most popular operating system software today are Windows XP and Windows 7. So what is system software? It is a kind of set of programs which controls the working of a computer. It controls the total working of a computer. Okay. तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो होता है वो पार्ट होता है सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर का, जो हेल्प करता है कंप्यूटर को रन करने में एंड परफॉर्म करने के लिए एसेंशियल टास्क को। विदाउट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कंप्यूटर जो होगा कोई भी काम नहीं कर पाएगा। एनी काइंड ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर वुड नॉट बी परफॉर्म्ड ऑन द कंप्यूटर। जो दो मोस्ट पॉपुलर सॉफ्टवेयर है सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर वो क्या क्या हैं? विंडोज़ एक्सपी एंड विंडोज़ 7. These two are the most popular operating system software today in the world. Okay. So system software, what is it? It is a set of programs that controls the working of a computer. Windows operating system has been developed by Microsoft Corporation. जो विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, जितना भी विंडोज़ का है, ओके, जितने भी सॉफ्टवेयर विंडोज़ के हैं वो किसने बनाया है? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कॉर्पोरेशन ने। विंडोज़ 8 इज़ द लेटेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। विंडोज़ 8 जो है वो अभी तक का सबसे लेटेस्ट विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है। ओके, रिमेंबर विदाउट अ कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम अ कंप्यूटर वुड बी यूजलेस। तो एक कंप्यूटर के अंदर अगर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं होगा तो वो कंप्यूटर जो होगा वो यूजलेस होगा। ओके, so what is the most important thing? Operating system. Okay, difference between hardware and software. Hardware is that part of the computer that you can see and touch. Software is the name given to the programs you use on the computer. Software cannot be touched. हार्डवेयर जो होता है वो ऐसा पार्ट होता है कंप्यूटर का जिसे हम देख सकते हैं एंड उसे टच भी कर सकते हैं। Okay, but software is the opposite. You can see but cannot touch. We can only feel it. Okay, we cannot touch ना सॉफ्टवेयर। क्या आप विंडोज़ 8 को टच कर सकते हैं? नहीं ना। वही है कि सॉफ्टवेयर कैन नॉट बी टच्ड। ओके, नेक्स्ट, ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर आर हार्डवेयर। सारे पार्ट्स जो होते हैं कंप्यूटर के वो क्या होते हैं? हार्डवेयर होते हैं। ऑल द प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर आर सॉफ्टवेयर। और जितने भी प्रोग्राम्स कंप्यूटर में होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? सॉफ्टवेयर। ओके, ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर आर हार्डवेयर एंड ऑल द प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर आर सॉफ्ट। व्हाट मेक्स अ कंप्यूटर पावरफुल? कंप्यूटर को क्या पावरफुल बनाता है? Computer is not just an ordinary machine. It has many features which make it so special like. तो कंप्यूटर के अंदर, कंप्यूटर जो है एक ऑर्डिनरी मशीन नहीं है, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं, स्पेशल फीचर्स है। ओके, फीचर्स नहीं, स्पेशल फीचर्स, जैसे कि स्पीड हो गया, एक्यूरेसी हो गया, डिलीजेंस हो गया एंड मेमोरी हो गया। सो व्हाट डज स्पीड डू? कंप्यूटर वर्क्स एट अ वेरी हाई स्पीड। इट डज कैलकुलेशन मच फास्टर दैन द ह्यूमन बींग। तो कंप्यूटर जो है वो क्या कहते हैं, बहुत फास्ट काम करता है, वो कैलकुलेशन भी हम ह्यूमन से ज़्यादा परफॉर्म करता है फास्ट। एक्यूरेसी 100% एक्यूरेट, दैट मीन्स वेरी फास्ट एंड टू विदाउट मेकिंग एनी मिस्टेक। कंप्यूटर डज नॉट मेक एनी मिस्टेक एंड इट गिव्स द फास्ट रिप्लाई। ओके, डिलीजेंस, टायरलेस मशीन। ओके, मतलब कभी थकता नहीं है। इट कैन वर्क फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, a stretch without feeling tiredness. Memory, the best thing about the computer is its large memory where it can store huge amount of information without forgetting. Because of all these features, computer has special place in today's world. Memory, कंप्यूटर बेस्ट थिंग क्या है कंप्यूटर का? उसका मेमोरी, मतलब कि हम उसमें कंप्यूटर में कितना भी स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं. ओके, स्टोर ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन और बिना गुम हुए या भुलाए. ओके, विदाउट फॉरगेटिंग. The best thing about computer is its memory. So what are the powerful features of a computer? Speed, accuracy, diligence, and last one, yeah, memory. Good.